Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Thank you so much for all your love that you've been showing on my videos. Would request all of you to please subscribe to the channel as well, as I see a lot of you keep viewing my videos but have still not subscribed. So do click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you healthy tips on how we can maintain a healthy lifestyle. They are very basic things, but somehow we don't remember them, we don't have them imbibed in our system, and the reason why we kind of miss on the very basic things that we need not actually work hard on ourselves but still maintain a healthy balanced life. So there are just four little things that we have to keep in mind. The very first thing is, when we eat fruits or any vegetables, we should never cut them and then leave them aside and then say we will use it for the next day. Like for example, if you're having a papaya, if it's too big a size, cut it and then kind of refrigerate it and then have it the next day. Fruits and vegetables should be cut and consumed immediately. The moment you cut and refrigerate them and then eat them again, there's no harm, but it loses all its nutrients. So the whole idea of you consuming that to have that energy, have that nutrition is actually lost. So this is a very small thing. I'm sure a lot of you didn't know it. Now that you know it, you can definitely practice it so that you actually have all the ingredients, all the nutrients coming to you whenever you're eating a fruit or a vegetable. The second is, a lot of us have this bad habit of having water in between our food, in between our meals. What happens is, scientifically, if we have too much of water in between our food or meal, it kind of fills our tummy and we are actually not eating the actual amount of food that is required to give us energy. So the whole concept is that, and plus it kind of like basically kills down your hunger. So please do not have water in between your food. You can have it before you have your food and after you have your food. Maybe half an hour later to after your meal is done. That's the best way to be having a healthy food and then having your water then. The third point is, we should have salads as a part of our everyday meal regularly and mandatorily. Whenever we eat anything, salads only are a form of proteins, vitamins, and all those things that you actually add gives you a whole lot of energy and actually makes your meal completely wholesome. So make sure whenever you're having your afternoon food, or I mean, of course, people who follow a salad diet, I'm not asking you to eat only that, but a little portion, a small cup of a salad along with whatever you're eating is a good idea and a good way to maintain yourself. The last point is having warm water after you actually have your meal half an hour later. Having warm water helps you digest, helps you ease out on your tummy. After every meal, you can, in fact, after say half an hour or 45 minutes, have a cup of warm water, and that cleanses your system and makes you all digested and all good and all happy. So that you'll never have any kind of digestion issues. You will never feel that grumbling, or even if you've had a heavy meal, having this practice in hand helps you keep your tummy really light. Do give it a try and let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me Neha saying bye.